So today's class is about some questions and all these questions based on tense. Okay, so I hope you already watch my last classes, okay, which was about present tense, past tense and future tense. And now today we are going to discuss some questions and you have to find out where your error is. Okay, so now start with number 1. Nowadays he teaches physics because the teacher of physics has been absenting himself for a month. Now if the sentence starts with nowadays, it means that whenever anyone asks you your profession, okay, so then whenever anyone asks you your profession and you answer, then your answer will be in present continuous tense. But here we use present indefinite tense. So correct form is he is teaching. He is teaching. So this is the wrong. Okay. Next. It seems to be happy because his parents had come from London to live with him. So now this sentence starts with present indefinite tense. Okay. And his parents coming from London, not too fast. It's very early. So it's whenever the result of action is in present, then you have to use present perfect tense. So not had come, it will be have come. Okay. Next. It is high time you are starting this work, my friend said to me. Now remember one thing, that when the sentence starts with it is high time, okay, so when the sentence starts with it is high time, then you have to put past indefinite tense. But here the sentence is in present continuous tense. You are starting. So correct form, it is high time you started. Okay. It is high time you started this work, my friend said to me. Next. I have come to know that your father has died last week. So in my last class, I have already told you that when there is last week, last is there, then the sentence would be in past indefinite tense. But here has died is there, okay? So you have to omit has. I have come to know that your father died last week. It's past. Next. Many of my friends wish to come here today, but none of them arrived yet. Now, and remember this, when yet is there, okay, so when yet is there, there should be present perfect tense. So none of them have arrived. You have to put have here. Next, she says that she will take her umbrella in case it will rain. So there is a conditional sentence, and in a sentence two future indefinite cannot be used. But here she will take and it will rain, two in future indefinite tense are using here. So because of that it is a conditional sentence. So first form is in future indefinite and second form is always in present indefinite. So in case rains. Okay. Next. I will let you know as soon as I will get any information about your promotion. So same sentence, same procedure will be applied here also. So I will let you know and I will get, two future indefinite tense is here. So you have to omit one future indefinite tense. Instead of using future indefinite tense, you have to use present indefinite tense. So I will let you know as soon as I get any information about your promotion. Okay, this is the correct form. Next, when I will be 30, most of my friends will be above 35, be sure. So is the same way, when the sentence start with when. So when sentence start with when, then there shall be in present indefinite tense, not future indefinite tense. So correct form is will be when I am. When I am 30, most of my friends will be above 35. Okay. So next part is that again some questions. So number 9. So number 9 is that this is indeed the first time in my life that I hear such an interesting story. So this is indeed the first time. Okay, so when in any sentence the first time is there, the first time, the second time, then after then you have to put present perfect tense. So this is indeed the first time in my life that I have heard such an interesting story. Okay, next. Before the alarm had stopped ringing, Bira had pulled up the set. So in this sentence, two past happening. One is very past and other one is small past or little past. So before, what I say, before, after. But after, before, Bira had pulled up. So past perfect tense already had used here. But here, before the alarm had stopped. Okay, so alarm had stopped. So it's not only had but past indefinite tense. So before the alarm stopped ringing, Bira had pulled up the set. Okay. Next, I have been knowing him for 10 years, but I don't know where he lives. So I have already told you that some words which are not using ing with it, but no. Okay, no. So no, we are not using no as knowing. Taste as tasting, see as seeing, look as looking. Okay, so I have been knowing. It's a wrong sentence. So I have been known. Okay, or you may say I have known. Next, he used to study at least till 10 o'clock at night and then he goes to bed. So this is your present habit. This is your present habit. So when we are talking about our present habit, then you have to use present indefinite tense. So he used to study. No, he studies. He studies at least till 10 o'clock at night and then he goes to bed. Okay. Next, if he had a few hours to spare, he would spend them in public library. It's a conditional sentence. So if he had a few hours, then he would spend time in public library. It's a correct sentence. No error is in it. Next, all flowers in his garden will surely die before the rains will fall. Again conditional sentence. Two future tense use here. So one future tense will be omit and it is in present indefinite tense. So rains fall. All flowers in his garden will surely die before the rains fall. Next, if I would have done this, I would have done wrong and would have disappointed many of my friends. It's an unfulfilled wish. So when it is your unfulfilled wish and in the next part you use would have, then in the first part you have to use past perfect tense. So if I had done this, I would have done wrong and would have disappointed many of my friends. So okay guys, I hope you totally now understand how can we understand the why error is there and what's the procedure to find out the error in tense, because you have to remember all the rules which are in or I have already discussed in my previous class. Okay, so and also I give link of first class and second class in this video. I hope you enjoy the class and also please subscribe this class and also press the bell icon so that every notification has come to you. Okay, thank you very much.